Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Kona key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver. This tool will help you gently open the key fob casing without causing damage. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in for best results. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.